Welcome. In front of me I have SUUNTO Race 2 and I'm gonna show you how to track the amount of the calories burned on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the upper button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe up on the screen to open the widgets panel. And here you can scroll through the list of widgets and look for the one called steps and calories. Once you find it, here we have the calories displayed, the calories burned, but we can also tap on this widget to open more detailed information. Here we have steps and calories, and also we have the average from the last 7 days, also from the calories, and you can also change the targets if you want to. But if you want to see the more detailed information, if your watch is paired with a phone, you can check the more detailed information in the phone application, the SUUNTO phone application. So I'm gonna bring the phone that is paired with my watch, zoom out the camera, and we're gonna open the SUUNTO application on the phone that is paired with our watch. Actually, let me reopen it like this. On the home page, you can scroll down and look for the calories. And here you can tap on calories, and we have a graph for the daily calories burned, weekly, monthly, yearly, and you can also check more info like time range. You can change the type of the graph. Also, you can check the total calories burned and VMR, and you can also change the daily target for your calories. And you have a description how the calories represent the consumed, including basal metabolic rate and stuff like that. Okay, and once you're done, you can close the app, and that's how you track the amount of the calories burned on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.